8. Steeped horsehair. Mind is a disease of semen. All that a man is or may be is hidden therein. Bodily functions are parts of the machine, silent, unless in disease. But mind, never at ease, creaketh I. This I persisteth not, pusteth not through generations, changeth momently, finally is dead. Therefore is man only himself when lost to himself in the charioting. 26. Commentary. Cheth is the chariot in the tarot. The charioteer is the bearer of the Holy Grail. All this should be studied in Liber 418, the 12th Ethyr. The chapter is called Steeped Horsehair because of the medieval tradition that by steeping horsehair a snake is produced, and the snake is the hieroglyphic representation of semen, particularly in Gnostic and Egyptian emblems. The meaning of the chapter is quite clear: the whole race consciousness, that which is omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent, is hidden therein. Therefore, except in the case of an adept, man only rises to a glimmer of the universal consciousness, while, in the orgasm, the mind is blotted out.